Hi, this is Sister Anderson, Sister Cindy Anderson. I just wanted to give you a quick couple of pointers to help you get started in our course. Super excited to have you here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this little video. So, come on. Okay, this is a little pie graph to show you how we can keep in touch and communicate with each other during our class. So you can see big chunk of communication is going to happen through announcements. I usually post 2 announcements a week, one early Sunday, like Monday morning, Sunday night, and then it varies throughout the week, whether it's Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm going to show you something to help you make sure you get those. The next big thing is the feedback that I give you for your papers and your discussions and your projects, and then also any emails that you send to me and I send to you. You can use that through Canvas, or you can get to my email. My contact information is in our Canvas course. The last place that is going to be important to communicate is in the discussion boards and the live class time. So recently I've decided that it's important to have more live class time. It's not going to work out for everyone, and that's why the discussion boards are a great option as well. So everyone is to post an initial discussion board piece by Wednesday of every week. Generally, there are a couple of exceptions to that. The live class time, 8 p.m. Mountain Time on Wednesdays, not the first week, but starting the second week of class, I will be hosting an optional live class. And if you participate in that live class, you will be excused from replying to others on the discussion board. But I just think that will help clarify questions and problems that some students have during the course. So that's an important piece there. So this is where you're going to make sure that you have all of your notifications set in your own Canvas. So this is mine. It might look a little different, my instructor account on Canvas versus yours, but you just need to get to your account and get to notifications. And then with the announcement, you're going to make sure that those bells are on so that you can get the announcements when they come. And then submission comment for grading, you want to make sure this is not like X'd or said none at all. But whenever I make a comment on something that you've submitted to me, you will make sure that you get it by having this bell highlighted in your notifications. So there is a calendar of events that you can access in our course, and it's super important because it will show you, like right here, every Saturday, there's lots of things due by 11:59. This will also let you know when we're having live classes, optional versus required. If you follow along here, you won't miss a beat. Sometimes, like a semester will be a little bit different than others. So if you keep up with your course through the calendar, you'll be set. Two big important things that a lot of students fail to recognize. That's Turnitin, which deals with plagiarism, and late work. So this course used to have no late work accepted, period. And it was just, I felt like it was such a hard line. All the instructors that teach this course felt like that was just too hard. So no late work is accepted for full credit, but there will be extenuating circumstances for everyone, and so there will be an automatic deduction. It's 33% per day. So usually if you get to like day 3 and you can still submit, it's going to be like 1 point. But generally, if you've submitted by day 3, you will get a fair amount of points for turning in that late work. So there are some exceptions to this, and those exceptions are quizzes. This is just a yes or no, I did my journal entry by the due date. If something happens that really is unforeseen, you can write to me and we can work that out. And then the other thing is missed discussions. So if you don't get to that Wednesday initial post, you lose those points automatically. There's no makeup for that because that's like being in the seat, coming to class, right? If we're online, this is the only way we can say, yeah, you were there. So those are the exceptions. And then with Turnitin, a lot of students don't understand that even if you submit a paper to another class and it's your work, if you submit that to me without talking with me ahead of time, that's going to come up as a match and you're going to be considered plagiarizing that information. So that's important. Lastly, just begin with the end in mind, we do have a final exam. We got rid of the final paper for this course, and so there's a closed note test, and there's going to be no study guide. Your study guide is going to be your notes. So if you take notes, if you review, you will be good to go. So excited to have you guys in class. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.